How to sign out of OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to sign out of it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After that, tap on to profile icon at the top left corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find your settings option right here. Select it. Then here you can find your account right here. Now tap on to one of your account just like this. Then here you can find the sign out option. Tap on it. Then simply confirm it that you want to sign out. Tap on to OK. And now you can see you have simply signed out. And that's it. This is how you can sign out of OneDrive. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.